Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you should claim if you've been involved in an accident due to the negligence of your local council. If you have any thoughts, questions, or requests, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. There's no doubt about the fact that if you've been involved in an accident which was caused due to the negligence of others, you deserve to be fairly compensated. But there can be occasions when someone questions the morals of whether they should or shouldn't bring a claim. One thing that I'm not going to do in this video is dispute the fact that the majority of local councils and the people who work for them work very hard, with budgets that are in some cases getting smaller and smaller in order to provide the public services that their communities rely upon. There are, however, times when mistakes are made, mistakes that can lead to accidents, and whether it be slipping on an unmarked wet floor or tripping on a defect in the pavement. If you've been involved in an accident which was caused due to the negligence of your council, then you may be entitled to compensation. Now, before we go any further, I would like to establish that when bringing a claim against the council, it's not actually the council that you'll be claiming against, but they'll hold public liability insurance, which will mean that any compensation that you receive will come from an insurance company and not from the pockets of your local council. If you've been injured due to the negligence of your council, you may find yourself out of pocket due to having to take time off work, as well as the additional costs associated with your recovery, as well as to potentially now having to cover the cost of jobs that you'd normally be able to do yourself, having to be done by someone else, like mowing the lawn or cleaning the car. So, should you claim? Well, it's impossible for us to give a definitive yes or no, as each case is different. But if you've been involved in an accident due to the negligence of someone else, and that accident has resulted in pain and suffering, as well as having financial implications, we would urge you to consider bringing a claim for compensation. But if you'd like to talk about things further, we're happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your case with you and advise you on what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling our freephone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our round-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. So if you're thinking about taking legal action against the local council, whether that be suing the council for housing disrepair, bringing a claim against council pavement defect trip, or even how to sue the council for stress, we'll be happy to go over our guide to suing your local council UK and council compensation payouts, as well as answer any questions you may have, like how much compensation for a fall may I be entitled to in order to bring a successful claim. It's important that you're able to demonstrate that the council acted with negligence, so it's important that you keep track of all expenses incurred because of the accident in question, as well as to document everything by taking photographs and to have any injuries assessed by a medical professional. If you have any questions about any of this, we'll be happy to do our best to help you out during your free consultation. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.